What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, Trendline Forex here. It is Wednesday today, 2nd of October, and that means we're gonna have a look at gold. Okay, I'm gonna give you entry levels, stop loss, and take profit levels if you wish. And this is what we do every single week. So if this is your first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe because I'm sharing weekly updates completely for free on euro dollar, on gold, and Bitcoin as well. Okay, there's a lot of valuable information in those videos. So I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame here, but instead we can check out the 4 hour charts as well. Now, as you can see, we're trading pretty much near all-time highs. Okay, and so if you have a look at the rest of the major instruments which are traded against the US dollar, you will see that we've got some big retracements, especially on euro dollar. Okay, but we've also got some pullbacks on pound dollar, New Zealand dollar, Aussie dollar as well. Now, what that means is that we may see some sort of a pullback here on gold, or maybe price trading sideways at least. Okay, now the thing is, we've got a very strong trend. Okay, and as you can see, we've been printing higher highs and higher lows, and we've also had some big expansions in the market. So overall, I think obviously we're going to continue this uptrend, so we should be looking for long positions only. And so, we've got this previous low, we've got the next bullish leg, then we've got the retracement, and we've got a higher low. Now we've got another retracement, and I'm expecting for price to form another higher low. Okay, so what that means is that we're looking at this pullback right here, and we should wait for the end of this pullback so we can look for buying opportunities. If we manage to get into a long trade here at the lowest point of the higher low, okay, or just as it's forming, then that will be probably the best case scenario, because we can then place stop loss just below that reversal, and we can be looking for targets at previous highs. But not only there, we might be looking for targets above those previous highs as well. Okay, now again, I'm saying that we're trading near all-time highs, so we don't have any higher levels to look at where we could be placing our targets. All I'm saying is that you could take out part of your position at previous highs, and you can let the rest run, because we don't really know where price is going to go next. I mean, we could be looking at psychological round numbers. Okay, but overall, we don't have any previous market structure where we can say, okay, we've got previous high, so this is what we're going to retest. We've only got this previous high, and once we break above that, then there's a lot of potential to the upside. So something else that I want to say is that if those pullbacks and those retracements that we currently have with the US dollar pairs, if they continue, then that means we could be looking for lower values here on gold as well. Now, if we manage to break below this support level, this previous low right here, which is right around the level of 2,630, if price breaks below that, okay, I'm going to be looking at 2,600 next. Now, this is a very important level because we've got the 61.8 retracement level. I'm talking about the Fibonacci level, okay, which is placed on this previous bullish impulse. Now, this is one thing, that we've got the 61.8 down here, but we've also got a very important area which I'm expecting to act as support for price, and this area comes from a news candle. You can see it right here. So we've had important news. This is something that we cover in our premium Telegram channel on a daily basis. Okay, so if price breaks below this low, I'm going to be looking for potential entries to the upside right around the 2,600 level. Okay, now I need to see price testing and breaking below that in order to be looking for that 2,600 level next. As of right now, I'm just focusing on whether price will form a higher low. And so if you drop down to a lower time frame, we're using this last impulse that we have from the 1 hour chart. We're looking at the 15-minute time frame, and I've placed the Fibonacci retracement level right here on this bullish leg. Now, we've just broken below the 38.2, which was the first level I was looking for potential opportunities. As you can see, we didn't have any sort of entry signal here. Instead of that, we've got a big candle to the downside. So I'm looking at 61.8 next, which is 2,643 to be more specific. Now, this is where we could be looking for potential opportunities if we get a good entry signal, and this could be anything. Okay, if we get a good entry signal right around here, let's say a candle with a long wick to the downside, okay, we can decide to enter a long trade here. Now a more conservative stop loss would be below this low right here, so anywhere around 2620, 2622. Okay, this will be a conservative stop loss. If you get a really good entry signal, which is your A plus setup, then you can use a tighter stop loss, which means just below that reversal. And this is significantly going to improve your risk to reward ratio, because we're not only going to be looking for targets at previous highs, or maybe you can take out a part of your position here, but we could also look for targets at the major high, which is up here around 2685. Okay, and depending on what kind of setup you're looking at, let me just fix that. Like I said, you could take out a part of your position here, and you can let half of your position continue to the upside. Once we get that breakout, I believe there's going to be another move to the upside. I mean, we can really try and squeeze out as much as we can. And once we break above that, we don't even need to place a fixed take profit target. We can only move our stop loss as price is moving to the upside. So this is pretty much what I'm expecting here on gold. And don't forget, we've got NFP at the end of the week, this Friday. So that's when I think we're going to see some volatility kicking in the market. And, that could really help this type of move go back. Go to the upside much quicker and gain some momentum. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video. Let me know if you are looking at some setups here on gold. And, you can also check out our website. You can come over here to services. We've got a free Telegram channel, and we've got a paid Telegram channel as well. So if you're not sure about the paid subscription, then you can join the free Telegram. You can see what kind of information we're posting there pretty much on a daily basis. So if you kind of like this information, if you think it's helpful, if you think it can help your trading, which I'm sure it will, you can then opt in for the paid premium channel. And that's where every single day from Monday to Friday, I'm covering all those instruments, and I'm telling you where are those potential entries, stop loss levels, take profit levels, and so on and so on. So like I said, this is definitely going to improve your trading a lot. Okay, that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.